Hello. My name is Eunice Evans, and I think seagulls should be able to vote. I am good. How are you? Oh, he's typing. He's typing. I don't see why not. Exactly. It's about time they had rights. Would you like to sign my petition? Really? Thanks. We might have one. We might have one. Let's give him the link. Wow. You're a real one, my dude.
Imagine being told that you're a real one, my dude, by a 54-year-old. Granted, you didn't drop the age yet, but
no,
still.
I didn't. I just said my name is Eunice Evans, and I think seagulls should be able to vote. As in, thank you for understanding the seagulls and giving them a chance.
Your heart belongs to the seagulls.
Yeah, my husband left me after I filled our bedroom with seagulls.
After all of that, are you single?
Why is this person trying to fucking flirt with me right now? Well, I wouldn't mind, but you would lie with me, even with the seagulls present? Man, Omegle's a fucking fever dream. Hello, dearie. My name is Eunice Evans, and I think seagulls should be able to vote.
Trying to cross that one, stranger?
Thanks. My parents are either going to name me Eunice or what's a really stupid name? Lasagna. That's so
That
dumb.
is indeed a stupid name.
That's so dumb.
You achieved the goal you were aiming for.
My name is Maxie and Hello, Maxie. Would you like to sign my Seagull petition? Of course. Oh, do we have a taker? Do we have a taker? It's there. Well, you have a lovely day, Maxie. 7 supporters. We're on a fucking roll. Hello, dear. 54, female. Cool. What do you think about seagulls? I am from the town. He's typing, he didn't disconnect on me for that. Yeah, for seagull rights. I think seagulls should be able to... I think seagulls should be... Oh, I put a question mark.
I think seagulls should be able to vote?
I need a... That sounds like I'm not saying it with any conviction at all. I need to sound confident.
Yeah.
The question Mark was a mistake. Is no question that seagulls should vote. I'll talk with you if you sign my petition.
Oh.
Thanks. Yeah, but mostly just to send people pictures of seagulls.
I would have just been like, no, I'm using my laptop.
Hey. My ID is 8. Snapchat ID 8. What?
And she wonders just how much leisure she really has.
No, what does he mean? No, it's not. How dare you?
Uh-huh.
I'm almost tempted to install a fucking
What? What?
Android emulator on my computer just so I can make a Snapchat, call it like Seagull Babe 550 or something like that.
Give me your Snapchat username. It's Seagull Babe 550. That's a real person Snapchat, I'm sorry. It's so weird that he's so pushy. Let me add you.
Sign the petition?
Okay. Sign my petition, please. Fuck off!
Hey, Brian.
Hello.
Hi, Brian.
Getting more people to sign your Seagull survey?
Yeah, my Seagull petition. How are you?
Doing good.
I'm gonna go get some food. Be right back.
Pretty good.
Bad. You?
Just sitting here thinking about seagulls. They're beautiful. And I think they should be allowed to vote. Would you like to sign my petition? Nope. Oh. Okay. That's fine. What? Why not? This is slander, and you will never be forgiven. Hello, dear. Is Eunice Evans, and I think seagulls should be able to vote. No, I am a middle-aged lady. Yes, they are really good at flying, and I respect that about them. Most birds can fly too, not just seagulls.
The seagulls are cool.
Yeah, but I like the seagulls best. They're also really good at screaming. That just means they're strong-willed. Would you like to sign my petition? You are not okay, ma'am. Hello, dear. How are you? Female. Is your opinion on seagulls? Well, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Eunice Evans, and I think seagulls should be able to vote. And maybe, if things go well, would you like to sign my petition? I'm just gonna ignore that he said that. Would you sign my petition first? I'm asking a horny masturbating man to sign my Seagull petition.
No, you need to say it in the nature documentary voice. And now
Okay,
the
I
horny
would
naked
do.
man is
Does
now
he even have his
trapped.
hands free? It doesn't say you signed it. Let me go. Okay, after you come, please sign my Seagull petition. Oh, sure. My Snapchat ID is 8.
Very old account.
What they? Yeah. No, it doesn't search any 8. Have you tried turning your phone off and on again? No, but it doesn't search just 8 any name first. Maybe if you turn it upside down. He's still fucking humoring me. Oh, you add me. I can't add people because my phone is dyslexic.
I finally had enough.